Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders. This is Abdurrahman from FXAlTareeq.com, and on my screen is the US yen, the yen chart, and I'm going to tell you why I'm not taking this particular trade. There's one more trade I want to show that's in a similar fashion, but as we look at this particular trade here, we have the cliff candle, and we have our diver that is here. Now, on this particular setup, if you look at it, the risk reward is very bad. You're looking at a 380 pip risk, and then here is your support and resistance at the 100.47 level, which is about from your entry point somewhere around 130 something pips. As you can see, this support and resistance line has more or less been held up, and if you were to enter into this particular trade, even if it went down to the lowest point it's done thus far, it would be 280 pip off of a 380 pip risk. Therefore, this particular trade would not be advisable to enter into. Just the cliff candle has went down too far, and then you have the monthly, the weekly support and resistance sitting here with a daily on this level. So with that said, not a good setup to trade up on. That's my opinion. Moving over to the other one, not the Aussie, not this one. The Kiwi, the New Zealand US dollar, same setup more or less, where you have the cliff candle and the diver, and then you have the weekly support and resistance where it has just bumped up against. And from entry points, you're looking at something around 140, 160, let's say 170 pip. Top out is at 88. Not a good trade to enter into. Just one of those bypass, sit and wait kind of trade. So when you're evaluating these Acapulco trades, you need to look at the risk reward and where it is potentially going to go, and also more importantly, your support and resistance line. That's why in all these courses that I outline, the support and resistance line is crucial. The support and resistance line is crucial, and these are, as we know, our higher time frame support and resistance line carry more weight than the lower time frame. So with that said, I would bypass those two particular trades if I was going to look to trade them, and move on to find a better high probability setup. You guys have a magnificent day on purpose. I'll talk with you soon.